Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing to DESO view drawing with the help of FreeCAD tools like Pocket, Symmetry, Hole, and Extrude. This is the ESO view drawing that we need to convert, step by step, into this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD Workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. Before you start, analyze the drawing carefully and fix the location of the 3D model relative to the original axis system. These are the steps and the dimensions of this ESO view drawing. In step 1, we sketch the side view profile on YZ plane and create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the YZ plane. First, create roughly the shape of the profile and then constrain and dimensions it later. First, constrain the endpoints before you start with the dimensioning. Constrain symmetry, the endpoints to horizontal axis. Now, assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. The width of the 3D part is 80 millimeters. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option Symmetric. In step 2, we sketch the cutout profile to remove material from the created solid part with the help of the Pocket tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Choose Centered Rectangle and sketch a rectangle on the vertical axis. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through Hole and Symmetric. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In step 3, we sketch the circular profile on the side surface and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Select the side surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Sketch the circle profile on the horizontal axis and dimension it. Now, the sketch is fully constrained. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then select the option to dimensions. Set the dimensions to 5 and 20 millimeters. Now, we mirror the cylinder to the other side. Now, select the pad and activate the mirror tool and then select the mirror plane. Create the holes with a diameter of 25 millimeters in the middle of the cylinders. Select one of the cylinder's front face and activate the hole tool. Set the diameter to 25 millimeters and then select the option through hole. In step 4, we sketch the front part profile on XZ plane and we create a solid part with the help of the Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XZ plane or the front surface. Sketch 2 circles with a radius of 16 and 30 for millimeters. Extract the upper edge for the reference. Choose centered rectangle and sketch a rectangle on the vertical axis. Remove unnecessary edges and curves with the Trim tool. Sketch again a centered rectangle on the vertical axis. The width of the rectangle is 8 millimeters. Assign the dimensions. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it by 38 millimeters. As you see, the 3D solid part is finalized. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Now, I will show you how to change the appearance of the solid part. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.